Alright, first thing I'm doing here is I got my bottle from Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree now, I guess. We got a bunch of dish soap on here. Bunch of dish soap in here, like, I don't know, a few tablespoons or something, 3 or 4 tablespoons, and the rest water. I'm like drenching down this rear window, just spraying the crap out of it. I did the passenger window there. I also got my driver window there. I just wanted to do it to see if I could do it before I showed you on the video, I guess, even though I could mess it up anyway because it's pretty easy to mess up. But anyway, got it sprayed down, spraying it down. And then over here I got the piece that's going to go on there. You can't really tell, it's cut out. Where are we at? Right here. It's like cut on a deal. You can see the line. There's another line. It's cut for my vehicle, but doesn't fit perfect. I have to, do a little trimming and whatnot, but, so what I'm going to do, I peeled off a little corner, like I get it started, and right when before I touch the sticky part at all, I get it peeled up, and then I spray on there, on the sticky part, and then I grab it while it's wet, and then I start pulling it back as I'm spraying the sticky part. Just spray, getting it as wet as possible. Alright, well, I'm going to get this off there. I'm going to go stick it on the window, and then I'll show you where I'm at. Alright, see, I got the corner peeled up like that. I haven't touched it or anything. I'm going to take the bottle. I'm going to spray, and then I'm going to put my thumb on the piece and my finger and my thumb, my other hand over here. I'm going to start peeling them apart, but I'm going to be spraying the sticky part. See, I'm just pulling and spraying. It's all sticky, so it's not sticky, my finger's sliding around because of the soap. Just keep everything soaped up. I'm going to pull back some more, spray some more. I'm going to keep spraying this. I'm just going to keep everything pretty darn wet. I'm even going to go back over there and spray my window up some too. Keep it good and wet. Alright, it's hard to do with one hand, but I threw it up there, You can, with all the water in between it, you can move it all around wherever you want. And then only when you start squeegeeing out does it start to stick real well. But I'm going to start squeegeeing out all around, starting from the middle, going down, maybe a line across, half of it up, the other half down. But I'm going to start doing this and making sure everything fits good. I got my window rolled down a little bit, that way I can get it all stuck up here good, and then roll that up, and then tuck all the bottom. And I haven't had to really cut any of the bottom. I've been able to tuck it back behind, but, everything's different. Here it is sliding down. I need to get to work on it. Alright, I'm going to get it up in there, and we'll see what happens. Alright, I got the top half somewhat good. The bottom's still hanging down here. I'm going to roll up this back window and tuck it down in there and get it all, squeegeed out. I'm just using a couple of debit cards, gift cards and whatnot to squeeze it out, and we'll see what it looks like in a minute. Alright, here's what I got. I mean, it looks real good because it's dark, but, we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. But there's the back there. Oh yeah, you can see where I got some bubbles here that I still need to work out. On the front here, I got most of them. I've been messing with that one. Can't really tell. We'll just see what it looks like tomorrow in the daytime. I got 15% tint. Here is the window I haven't done yet. So yeah, it's way too dark because you can't even see that. You can't even see through this window, and it's not even tinted. I'll just come back tomorrow and, show you what we got, what it looks like. But that one is tinted, and, see if you can... The two front windows are tinted, but it's hard to see the light of the house through there. I don't know. We'll just see tomorrow. Maybe I can... Yeah, you can't. Alright, we'll just see what it looks like tomorrow in the daytime, but this is my DIY project of about $30 window tint. It was $30. It's... cut for my 2004 Focus little grocery getter here. And I bought it because it was cheap, and, you know, even if I mess up a little bit, I'll still have, you know, good enough to me tinted windows instead of paying, you know, $250 for someone else to do it. But I'll just bring you guys back tomorrow and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to go try to work out some of those air bubbles, and then I'm going to get inside. All right.